Today we take a look at a Florida modern mansion listed at $5,500,000 in Longwood, Florida at 17,273 square feet on 11 acres. This home features 9 bedrooms and 11 baths, and it was built in 1979. Some fun facts about this property is that the architects who built it and designed also were the ones who did Epcot Resort at Walt Disney World. And it was also originally built for the billionaire founders of Publishers Clearinghouse. So it has entertained presidents and dignitaries from all over the world. I really love this bathroom. I think it is so cool and so funky, especially that sunken tub. This house also is completely surrounded by a privacy wall, which is pretty awesome. It includes a guest house, a pool house, and also staff quarters. There are several bronze statues like this one around the entire property. I hope you have enjoyed this cool, funky, modern mansion as much as I have. Please hit that like and subscribe and let me know what you think of this property. And as always, thank you for watching.